So parents, give them another round of applause because you got to know about the elements. So Purna, fire was aggression with red, water with blue, and earth with base brown and nature green, and wind with props was a treat to watch.
A treat indeed, Brother Pranam. You know, it reminded me of our campus, surrounded by such a wonderful atmosphere and such beautiful sceneries. And we have only one person to thank for it. That is our Honorable Chairman, sir. Thank you, sir. So, Brother Pranam, now that you have spread wisdom through these dances and other forms, what about spreading some knowledge in the form of books?
That would be an excellent idea. So may I now request Mrs. Padma, our headmistress, to take over.
Please, ma'am.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today is 12th January. By recalling Vivekananda's quote, the most inspiring monk, the goal of mankind is knowledge. What man learns is really what he discovers by taking the cover off his own soul, which is a mine of infinite knowledge. It is an apt occasion to encourage the children who desire to pursue their education. Our chairman has been persistently supporting the youth of our society to help them gain confidence. He has instilled positive thoughts and courage in them to fight out the obstacles that curb their growth. Just to share a few what he has done for the society, Sir has donated a sum of rupees 20,000 to one of our laborers for her marriage. He has sponsored tuitions for our own children who are doing their higher education. Apart from this, Sir has provided computers for the KSRTC auto stand, and he has also donated to Hanchia Temple for the construction. He has sponsored the Independence Program for Kannada Rakshana Vedike and also the Bugadalli Temple construction. Not taking much time, may I call upon our guest, Dr. M.R. Ravi, KAS Commissioner for Mysore City Corporation, along with other dignitaries and escorted by the principals to come on the days and give away educational kits to the children of our adopted school. Sir, may I humbly request you to please come on to the days. I request Headmaster Mr. Nagendra Rao to please come on stage along with his children. It's a great honor and the right occasion on Swami Vivekananda's birthday to give away the books. May I request the group of children to please come on to the stage all together. We have the teacher, Mr. Madiwal, with us. I read upon the names. It is Master H.M. Girish, Master H.M. Madhusudan, Master Nandu S., Master Nagraj, Master Maqsood Ahmed, Master Manoj Kumar, Master Praveen, Master Nagraju, Master Manju, Master Pradeep, Master Lakshmikant, Master Manoj, Miss Hemalata, Miss Jyoti, Miss Kavya, Miss Madhu, Miss Megha, Miss Nandini, Miss Nivedita, Master Prithvi, Miss Pushpa, Miss Shami, Parvatama, Sudharani and Chandrika. These are the 25 children who have been selected for their meritorious performance in the preparatory exams, who will write their board exams. Today these children had gone for a one-day trip to Talkadu, Somnathpura. I'm sure they had the great time. Please, I request our guests to distribute the books. I request the parents to give a round of applause for these children who have a dream to do something. As our MCs were saying, maybe tomorrow we will have some more engineers, some more doctors from Hanchia village. The proud HM is with the children. We are truly thankful to our Honorable Chairman who recognizes and personally visits the schools to encourage the children. The guests are so humble, they are going to each and every child to congratulate and also to boost their confidence so that they do well in forthcoming exams. We are highly thankful to such lovely, humble guests. The guests are accompanied by Madam Secretary, the CEO, Mr. Mukund, and also one of the teachers, Mr. Madiwal. Welcome you all, sir. It's very nice of you. Made it. You came on time, visited the school. The truly Founders Day, where founder is so generous to reach out a section of children who have big goals. We wish you all the best, children, for your board exams. Here the chairman blessing each and every child, that warmth which is missing nowadays. I congratulate all the children. Please give a big round of applause to all. Very generous action. Both are blessed, the one who gave and one who received. Thank you so much. I thank all the dignitaries.
Please, ladies and gentlemen, give them a big round of applause. They worked hard for all this. Thank you, Honorable Chairman, sir, and dignitaries for distributing those books. I'm sure they'll help in the making of many more Dr. APJ Abdul Kalams and Sri Ramanujans.
The word making reminds me of something. Purna, have you ever bought a DVD?
Sure, several.
In that, there is an option, the making of the movie.
Oh, that is one thrilling video, Pranam. I watch it every time.
So I got an idea. Wouldn't it be more thrilling for the parents to watch the making of the skit?
Oh, wonderful idea, Pranam. Don't we have a video about that?
We sure do, Purna.
So, ladies and gentlemen, please turn your attention to the screen to watch the making of the next skit.